We need to take away the profit motive from a very important and integral part of our service in our healthcare system. Alberta Health Services was created so that this government could divest themselves from the responsibility that they need to take. During the White Mud forum that was just held last Wednesday, Mr. Mandel indicated that he was not going to interfere with Alberta Health Services' decision to go forward with the privatization of the labs. And that is just such a classic behavior, because Alberta Health Services was created so that this government could divest themselves from the responsibility that they need to take when it comes to decision making. If he had read his job description, he would know that policy making is part of what he's expected to do in that role as an interim Minister of Health. He would have to know that the decision to privatize lab would fall flat on his lap in terms of policy making. Alberta Health Services is there to deliver whatever policy direction he gives them. So I guess we have a message for you. That's part of your job, Stephen Mandel, if you are elected as an MLA. And then what we expect is that you reverse this poor decision. We have tried this, as President Smith indicated before, and we spent millions of dollars in building a state-of-the-art lab back then at the Royal Alex, and it was shortly closed, and some of the services continue to be with Dynalife in the community. So we're expecting him to deal with this situation, whoever becomes the MLA, whoever becomes the Minister of Health if he's not elected. They need to reverse this bad decision. We need to take away the profit motive from a very important and integral part of our service in our healthcare system. This government has completely failed to present a reasonable financial case for the necessity of this privatization, and we want it to stop, and we need it to stop right now. Sonic Healthcare, in their website, indicated that there's two elements of governance for companies: performance and conformance. Both are important, according to them, and I quote them, but it is critical that focus on conformance does not detract from the principal function of business, which is to undertake prudent activities to generate rewards for shareholders who invest their capital in their company. That's an exact example of why it is that we are concerned about the profit motive behind this company, and we don't want that to take any kind of place in our healthcare system delivery. So we need to send them a clear message. You need to reverse this decision, and you need to stop the privatization not only of our lab services but our public healthcare system.